Hi, I'm Paige. I'm currently on a level 3 Digital Marketing Apprenticeship. Right now I'm working for MKM Building Supplies. I have just finished my endpoint assessment. I'll have my interview part of my endpoint assessment in a few weeks, and then I should be finished entirely in a few months. Previously, before my apprenticeship, I was working on a candles and wax melt business for which I ran like an Etsy page and an Instagram page, and kind of just was working on my social media skills through that. I was interested in a career in digital marketing because of the digital age that we're in now, and kind of my age. I'm used to being on a mobile quite a lot and using social media quite heavily, so I just started using that to kind of see how advertising can be used on social media through my candle business. Kind of started to see that take off, and then that put me down the avenue of wanting a career in digital marketing itself. In my apprenticeship interview, I did bring up the candle making business, and kind of how I managed that was primarily through social media to generate sales, but also to market the products. So it was kind of interesting to speak about that because it gave MKM an opportunity to say like what skills I'd already been working on and how they can be used in my like day-to-day role. A day in the life for me at MKM working in the digital marketing team is creating campaigns, speaking with our suppliers to understand how we can market their products, creating campaigns while also doing campaign reviews, so all the analytical side of it. The tools that I use to carry out my tasks on a day-to-day is Bloomreach. So I use that to generate emails and to create web updates on the MKM website. I also use analytical databases like GA4, Click I use as well, and then also just Microsoft applications. So I would use like PowerPoint, Word, Excel. One tech skill that I thought was going to be difficult, what I've ended up enjoying, is kind of the analytical side of the work. Going into the apprenticeship, I didn't think that it was going to involve much maths or analytics or anything like that. But now that I understand it and do it a lot more frequently, kind of enjoy all that side of it probably more than the creative side of it. My family and friends are quite proud that I've done an apprenticeship. Usually people in my family would have gone off to college and then university, but with the availability of apprenticeships now, I was able to get qualifications that I could have gone to university to do, but I was also able to work at the same time. They're quite proud that it's helped me to be able to do things like buy a car and save up to buy a house without going to university, which can obviously set people a bit further back in life. It's given me an idea of how I can progress my career in the future with the opportunities and the avenues that I can go down.